The double wishbone suspension is a high-precision system that allows the wheel to maintain an ideal angle during body movement. It offers excellent control in corners and efficiently absorbs irregularities in the terrain. The lower arm of the suspension, known as the arm or lower control arm, connects the chassis to the lower part of the steering knuckle. It is responsible for supporting vertical and lateral forces, allowing controlled movement of the wheel. The upper arm, known as the upper arm, is shorter than the lower one. This difference creates a controlled change in the camber angle of the wheel, which improves tire grip in tight corners. The steering knuckle is a key component that connects both suspension arms to the hub and the brake disc. It also allows the wheel to turn when the steering system is operated, while maintaining structural rigidity. The steering bar transmits movement from the steering pinion to the knuckle. This articulated rod is essential for converting the circular motion of the steering wheel into angular movement of the wheel, maintaining precision in the trajectory. The shock absorber is designed to dissipate the kinetic energy generated by road irregularities. It works together with the coil spring to control the rebound of the suspension, ensuring that the wheel always maintains contact with the ground. The stabilizer bar link connects the stabilizer bar to the lower arm. Its function is to transfer movement from side to side of the axle, helping to maintain stability when one wheel rises higher than the other. The stabilizer bar is a torsion rod that connects both ends of the front suspension. It reduces chassis roll in fast turns, keeping the wheels in contact and distributing loads laterally. The steering pinion or steering rack converts the rotation of the steering wheel into linear movement. It transmits that movement to both wheels through the tie rods, achieving responsive and precise steering. When the steering wheel turns, the rack activates the tie rods, moving the steering knuckles.